I got banana cake over here. Let's bake for an hour. Okay, Kumars, naglagay ako na ng 6 ounce cream cheese, 1/2 cup butter, ripe banana, and then vanilla, 1 teaspoon, and then banana extract. Yan, put a few drops. Alright. Then powdered sugar, 2 cups. 2 cups. Okay, Kumars, okay na yan. Okay, let's fridge it for 30 minutes. Okay, here's our banana bread. So, palamigin muna natin before we put our frosting. Okay, Kumars, lagay natin yung ating spread frosting.